Hello, we have a question on AP. It says that find the AP such that an equal to 7 minus 3n. Okay, that means each term is expressed in the terms of n. That is 7 minus 3n. So the first term a1 will be equal to n replaced by 1. So 7 minus 3 times of 1 is equal to 7 minus 3, that is 4. So likewise, we can find the second term, third term, fourth term, and hence our AP will be 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. We are seeing that the values are decreasing. Now, the common difference D is given by A2 minus A1, that is the difference between two consecutive terms, A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. Here we have 1 minus 4, that is minus 3. So D is equal to minus 3. After that, you have to find the value of the 20th term, that is A20, which will be given by the formula A plus 20 minus 1D, that is A plus 19D. Now, A plus 19D replacing D by minus 3, we get 4 minus 57, it is minus 53. Here, the next question, AP is given minus 4, minus 7, minus 10, minus 13, dot, 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 A25 and AN. And we have to find the value of A25, that is the 25th term in this AP. First of all, A is equal to minus 4, which is the first element here, first term here, and we will find D, the common difference, which can be found by A2 minus A1, second term minus the first term. Here we have minus 7 minus 4, that is minus 7 plus 4, that is minus 3. D is equal to minus 3. Now, by the formula, we can find A25 is equal to A plus n minus 1, that is 25 minus 1, 1 less than 25 is 24, or A plus 24 times D. That is minus 4 plus 24 times minus 3, that is minus 4 minus 72, that is minus 76. Now, we also have to find the value of an, nth term. That is will be A plus n minus 1D, and here the value of A is minus 4 and the value of D is minus 3. Replacing it, we have minus 4 plus n minus 1 times minus 3. Minus 3 times n is minus 3n, and minus 3 times minus 1 is plus 3. Now, minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1, and here we have minus 3n. Taking minus common, we have 3n plus 1 as the nth term. Now come to this question, that is question number 5. It is given that the common difference is minus 3 and the 18th term in the AP is minus 5. And we have to find the first term, the value of the first term. Okay. So here by the formula, we have A18, which should be equal to A plus 1 less than 18, that is 17 times D. We are replacing it by A plus 17 times D, and that must be equal to minus 5. Now, A plus 17 times D, replacing D by minus 3, we have 17 times minus 3, which gives minus 51. A is equal to minus 5 plus 51, which is A equal to 46. This is the first element. That means the next one will be 3 less than that, 43, then 3 less than that, 40, dot, 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 dot. Like this, the 18th term will be minus 5, A18. So let us come to another question. It says that an AP 18, 15 and a half, 13, dot, 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 minus 47. So this is an AP where 18 is the first term, 15 and a half is the second term, and 13 is the third term. The question asks that which term is equal to minus 47. So we don't know actually which term it is, and that is equal to find. We will assume it that the nth term is minus 47. So here we are assuming let the nth term be minus 47 such that an is equal to minus 47. Now, by the formula, we can replace an by a plus n minus 1d is equal to minus 47, where a is 18. We can find g by subtracting a1 from a2, that is a2 minus a1. That is 15 and a half minus 18. 15 and a half can be written as 15 plus half minus 18. 15 minus 18 is minus 3 plus 1 by 2. That gives us minus 5 by 2. Now replacing the value of A by 18 and G by minus 5 by 2, we get 18 plus minus here. 5 by 2 multiplied by n is minus 5 by 2, and 5 by 2 multiplied by 1, we have minus minus plus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 47. Now, keeping this that side, we will have positive 5 by 2n, and here we have bringing this side, we have positive 47 added to 18 plus 5 by 2. 47 plus 18 gives 65. 65. Now again 5 by 2 can be written as 2.5 or 2 plus 1 by 2. 65 plus 2 is 67 plus 1 by 2 is 67.5. And here on the left hand side we have 5 by 2 times n is equal to 67.5. Hence n will be equal to 67.5 divided by 5 by 2 or multiplied by 2 by 5. Where 67.5 is 135 by 2. Simplifying it, we will have n is equal to 27. That means A27 is equal to minus 47 in this AP. Let's see this question. Here we have an AP 11852 where A is equal to 11, the first term, D is equal to 8 minus 11, it is minus 3. And we have to check whether in this AP do we get minus 50 or not, or is minus 50 a term of this AP or not. So for that we will assume that let the nth term be 150 in this AP such that an is equal to minus 150. A plus n minus 1d should be equal to minus 150. Replacing a and d by its values 11 and minus 3, we get 11 minus 3n plus 3 equal to 150. Solving it, we get n is equal to 164 by 3, and 164 is not divisible by 3. Hence, it is not a natural number. It is not a natural number. And since we do not get n's value a natural number, hence minus 150 can never be a term of the given AP. Now let us come to the another question. It is given that AP 3813 dot 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 253. Okay, and you have to find that from the end, that is from this end, which term will be the 20th term, or the value of the 20th term from this end will be what? So what we do, we simply reverse the AP. That means the term which was at the last will become the first term here. That is 253, and the term which was at the first will become the last term here. That means we'll have 253 dot 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 13, 8, then 3. So here the first term becomes A is equal to 253, and the common difference D can be found by subtracting these two, or 8 minus 30, that is minus 5. Now A20 from this end will be A plus 19D, that is 253 plus 19 times minus 5, that is 253 minus 95, 158. Hence the 20th term from the end is 158. From the end means this was given AP, which was actually increasing, plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 was the common difference. But when we reversed it, in this case, the common difference was minus 5, minus 5, minus 5. And actually, we are asked to find the 20th term from this end, which is 158. It says the given AP 53, 48, 43 dot dot dot. We have to find that in this decreasing AP, in which the next term is decreasing, we have to find that which term will be the first negative term. This is what it is asked in the question. Now, the first term is equal to 53, A is equal to 53, common difference D is 48 minus 53, that is minus 5. Now we see that from 53 to 0, the difference is 50 and the number is decreasing by 5. If you take the difference total, it's approximately 50 and the number is decreasing by 5, it comes 10. That means 10 times it has to decrease by 5. So basically we do a trial by A11. We find A11 and we see what do we get, the 11th term of this AP. So A plus 10D is equal to 53 plus 10 times minus 5, that is 53 minus 50, that is 3. But 3 is positive. That means A11 is 3, A12 will be equal to 3 and 5 less, because difference is, common difference is minus 5. So it will become minus 2. Hence the next term, A12 comes minus 2, which is the first negative term in the given AP. Hence A12 is equal to minus 2 is the first negative term in the given AP. Now come to this question. It says that the difference between the 11th term and the 7th term of an AP is 24. That means 11th term is bigger than the 7th term. That is why we are getting a difference as positive 24. Hence, by the question, A11 minus A7 equal to 24, where it is also given that the first term is 12. That the first term is 12. And we have to find the value of 20th term. What will be A20? We know that A20 can be found by using the formula A20 is equal to A plus 19B. And in the question, we can use the value of A, but we don't know the value of D. And we will use the given equation to find the value of D. So here we have A11 minus A7 is equal to 24, replacing the values A11 by A plus 10D, A7 by A plus 6D is equal to 24, removing the brackets, we have A plus 10D minus A minus 6D. A minus A is 0, 10D minus 6D is 4D is equal to 24 or D equal to 24 by 4, that is 6. The common difference we have is 6 now. Hence we can find A20 by the formula A plus 19D, that is 12 plus 19 times 6, which is equal to 126.